Arjun and welcome back to another amazing recipe. Today I'll be making soft and delicious whole wheat buns, 100% whole wheat. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. Let's go! I'll start by taking whole wheat flour. Next goes an instant yeast and sugar. Now I'll mix all these ingredients together. Now I'll add milk and salt. And now we'll knead it together. Now that it has started to form the dough, I'll start adding butter little by little and continue kneading it for about 5 to 6 minutes. Oops, I forgot to dust some flour. Let's do it now. I'll add a dash of olive oil, and now we'll cover it with a cling film. Now I'll let it rest for 40 minutes or until it doubles in size.
1.5 hours later.
After almost 1.5 hours, our dough has doubled in size. I'll dust the surface with flour and I will gently take it out. Now I'll divide our dough into 6 parts. We have to take all the sides together and pitch it at the bottom. Like this. Now I'll cover it and let it sit for around 20 minutes for second proofing. The buns are ready to go in the oven, but before that I'll give them a milk wash. Now I'll pop it in the oven at 200 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Hear that? It is done! Ta-da! I'll spread some butter on top before I cover it with a damp cloth to cool. Take a look at these soft and fluffy buns. You can enjoy these buns as a burger or as it is. Or in this rainy monsoon season, you can have it with a cup of tea as bun muska. Whichever way you make it, it's a must try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye.